Most people aren't lazy. They're busy all day, always doing something, always tired. Yet somehow, nothing important actually gets done. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. Because the problem isn't your effort, it's where your effort is going. Let me explain. You wake up, you check your phone, you respond to messages, you switch between tasks, you stay active all day. And at the end of the day, you feel exhausted, but strangely unsatisfied. That feeling has a cause, and it's not a lack of discipline. Here's the truth most people miss. Busyness feels productive, but it's not the same as progress. Your brain loves busyness because it feels safe. Simple tasks, quick wins, constant movement, no thinking required. But progress is uncomfortable. It requires focus, stillness, and doing fewer things better. That's why your brain avoids it. Here's what's actually happening. Every time you switch tasks, your brain pays a cost. Not a big cost, a small one. But over the day, those small costs add up. By the afternoon, your brain is tired. Not because you worked hard, but because you switched too often. That's why you feel busy, and that's why nothing meaningful gets done. Now here's the important part. Being busy is not the enemy. Uncontrolled attention is. Once you understand this, everything changes. Let me show you the simplest fix. Not a system, not a routine, just a shift. Step 1. Separate movement from progress. Movement is replying, checking, organizing, scrolling. Progress is one task that actually moves your life forward. Each day, ask one question. What would make today successful? Just one thing. If you do that one thing, the day counts. Everything else is optional. Most people do the opposite. They do everything except the one thing that matters. Step 2. Work in fewer, longer blocks. Your brain doesn't work best in short bursts. It needs time to settle. Set a simple rule. No task switching for 25 minutes. One task, one window, one direction. You'll be surprised how much progress happens when you stop interrupting yourself. Step 3. Stop ending tasks early. Most people quit tasks right before they get interesting, right before momentum starts. That's where progress lives. The rule is simple. Stay a little longer than feels comfortable. That's the difference between being busy and actually moving forward. Now here's the final idea. This is the most important one. You don't need more time. You don't need more motivation. You need fewer priorities. Progress doesn't come from doing more. It comes from choosing better. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. A focused hour beats a busy day every time. So tomorrow, don't try to do everything. Just do the one thing that actually matters, and let the rest be noise.